Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V40 SE, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Then let's go to the fingerprint section. And now, to be able to set the fingerprint, we have to set a regular screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to choose it and set it right now. So I'll choose the pattern. Let me draw it, redraw it and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen, so just mark it and tap on OK. And here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so the scanner is right under the screen. So let's tap on Start Enrollment and of course give all the permissions. So now all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor and change its position multiple times to catch every part of it, for better recognition, of course. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so we just tap on Done. And here we've got the fingerprint section, so we can check for what we want to use the fingerprint for. Here we've got some animation styles, so of course you can customize it if you want to. So it's totally up to you. Here the icon style also. So as you can see, a lot of things which you can customize and personalize. This is our fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can add another fingerprint or verify fingerprints, especially useful if you've got more than 2 fingerprints added. Alright, so now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got our sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.